Hey y'all, hey, welcome back. So today we have a special package. This package is from Jen here on YouTube. I will leave her socials and everything down below. So in one of my videos, I remember I asked a question about what nail sizes y'all use the most, because I be having extra or some that I don't use. I be wanting to throw them away. She the first and only person that responded, and so I reached out to her. I was like, let me send you the tip sizes, and she was like, dang, what did she say? But she was basically like, you know what, I got some stuff that I don't even use that I can send you, because I was talking about a size 5s, because 5s is like my number one sizes, because it's for my ring and index finger. But yeah, and I was totally surprised that she sent this much. Now I knew she was gonna send like a couple of nail tips and like the young nails top coat, but I didn't think it was gonna be this much. We did get a lot of stuff. I have never tried Chisels, Secret Nail Affair, or the Kiara Sky Monomer. She did ask me what was like my favorite color. I said purple and red. I wasn't expecting her to send like acrylics over, so I was super excited about that. Y'all, I'm super grateful for this package, and I am gonna be putting it to use. And also, some of these things will be gifted, just because. One like the what's it called? Nails by Delve tips. They're like extremely C-curve, and for my nail beds I can't wear like C-curve tips because they hurt my nail beds. Even when I size up, they still feel weird on my nail beds, like they're pinching. So I don't use C-curve nail tips, so those gonna be gifted. I will show y'all like later on in the video that it did come, like it came messed up. It got a hole at the bottom, but I can, whoever I give it to, you can exchange it out or whatever, or just take the bottom of it and go about your day. But yeah, we got a lot of nail tips. And also, this is CraftsxNine. She is a brand ambassador for what's her name? I think it's Myra, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think it's Myra. So I'm gonna try to find her code. I think it's like Jan 10 or something like that. I'll either leave it up on the screen, but more likely everything will be in the description box, all Jen's social medias and codes and stuff, all that nature. She is on the road to 1K, so I'm gonna make sure I put all her details down below, so y'all can go subscribe, support, and show love. But like I said, y'all, I was super surprised at the amount of stuff that was in here. Now my favorite ones was definitely the nail tips. What they called? Like these extreme, what's they called? Stilettos. Y'all gonna see them in a second. When I bought some, I think I bought some off of Shein or wherever the case may be. They was, I don't know, they had a huge apex. They almost looked like full cover nail tips, but it was actual like regular nail tips, but they were so thick that I couldn't like build no acrylic or nothing on top of it because the nails would be extremely thick. But these right here, they're like super sturdy, easy to shape. And if you want like a coffin, all you gotta do is clip it down a little bit and that's it. And if you want like a more defined stiletto, you can easily achieve that. So these definitely will be put to use the next time I do my left hand, because my left hand, I got a nail set in mind that's been trending, going around. Y'all will see that probably 2 weeks, depending on, because I like the nails that's on my left hand right now, so I'm not taking them off. You know what I'm saying? So these are the Nails by Delve nail tips I was talking about. These are 2XL square. One thing about me, I love me some square nails. That's the main thing I use. So did y'all see the C-curve I showed? Now personally, they're not gonna fit my nail bed. I just explained it earlier, so I will be gifting these away. But yeah, now these right here, y'all know I love some 3XL square nails, and of course they're from Dream Nail Supply, y'all. Like if y'all watch probably a couple hauls ago, I got her nail tips in my BA package, and now I got another box. So I'm really set for at least the rest of this year out with square nail tips. And y'all, the last thing I got was some Cashapp monomer. Let me just say, this monomer is super loud, and I know I won't be using this, so this will be put, gifted to somebody else in need. But for me personally, I didn't even open it up, and my whole entire house was like, it smelled goodness. Like, that stuff is really strong, and I didn't even open it up to use it yet, so I know that it's not gonna be a fit for me. I really wished I would be able to try it, but my nose cannot tolerate that smell. Because I got a headache just opening the package up. When I walked in my room, I was like, why does it smell like monomer in here? Because I didn't do nails in the past couple of days, but it was the package. But yeah, let's get into these acrylics. This is from the brand Chisel. Now, I've never tried Chisel before. So I will say I'm 50-50 about it, because this purple right here is not my typical consistency or what I like to use. It may be because it's a neon color, because when I get ready to swatch this red, y'all gonna see the major difference between them. So I don't know if Chisel is like a iGel type of brand where it's a hit and miss, but this purple is not my cup of tea. Now, I can try to finesse it and maybe add clear and, do my own little concoction and try to get it to the consistency I like. But personally, I'll probably be gifting this away also, because this purple is just the consistency and the way it dried up too quickly. It wasn't my cup of tea. I am using the Inner Couture monomer. Y'all know that's my one and only monomer I use as a, right now. And, because of the smell, it's not as harsh or loud as the other ones I tried. Now, some people say that all monomers smell the same. That's a lie. Sorry to tell you. Maybe because my nose operate different, y'all, but it's definitely a difference between the monomers. And I can tell, especially when I do a nail set with the Inner Couture monomer, my house don't be smelling like monomer. When I use other monomers, it be smelling like that for hours throughout the day. So yeah, it's definitely a difference. And I don't use purifiers, none of that, even with the Inner Couture monomer, I'm just saying. So yeah, it's definitely a major difference in smell, I will say. Now, this red right here from Chisel, baby, I'm keeping this one. Thank you, Jen. I actually don't have like reds in my collection. Like, one thing, I don't know why brands don't be including like reds. Like, I get it, like, I guess the pigment in them or whatever the case. But that's not even an excuse, never mind. Like, a lot of people don't be including reds and stuff. Even with collections that people do, you rarely see reds and stuff like that. But this one right here, this is my favorite. And this is giving like that Christmassy vibe type of red. It's very vibrant. I will say that purple and the red is very, very pigmented. Like, I didn't see no marbling, and I did shake them up and all that good stuff. That's a plus for me. There was no marbling. Only thing I will say is the consistency of the purple one that threw me off, that I didn't like. That's the only downfall. And consistency is like one of the main reasons why I purchase acrylics from certain brands. So it's just my cup of tea or whatever. But to each his own. Me personally, I won't be using a purple, but this red and the rest of the colors I got, baby, chef kiss. Love them. It was easy to work with. Now, I will say probably more likely it was the factor that it was a neon, or the neon is different from a colored acrylic. The way they use different powders and pigments. That probably played a role in. But for the most part, like I said, anything I don't use, y'all know I'm a very giving person, and I do give a lot of stuff away. I'm still doing the 20 mystery boxes, the 60 mystery boxes, and I still got the 150 mystery boxes. But yeah, more than likely you'll see some of this stuff in your mystery box if you get you one. And I want to say what I'm thinking about. I'm trying to see. Now, this one is from Secret Nail Affair. I've heard about them, but I was like, I never like purchased. Some brands you hear good things, but you like, it's not for me. I don't want to really try or spend money. This right here, I would definitely go get me some of this. Now, the consistencies of Chisel and Secret Nail Affair reminded me of Notpolish and Dream Nail Supply. Now, I will say that's a big plus, because I don't play about Dream nail supply, and I have tried Notpolish in the past, if y'all ever wondering. Only thing with that is I got those back when y'all know those mystery boxes, like when they first started doing them, and it was like crazy. And I basically got like marble colors that usually don't marble that I've heard about. But yeah, it was like a blue and a red and I think an orange that marbled, and that made me not like purchase them, because marbling is not a big deal, but it's kind of a big deal, but not too much, y'all. It just depends on what it is, but for the most part, these acrylics are bomb. And this glitter, my favorite. I'm definitely going to add some clear into this so I can stretch it and make it, you know, a bigger ounce. But I will say thank you so much, Jen. Like I said, I'm gonna leave all her social medias down below, and make sure y'all check her out. I'm trying to see what else I got coming up. I got videos coming up that I think are gonna be very interesting. But without further ado, these is what the colors is, and I'm just gonna be showing y'all everything that came in the package. Yeah, right here, y'all see it came messed up, but all you gotta do is tape it up and you're good to go. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly show y'all everything that came, and you know, that's it. Today's video was short, simple, and sweet, and you know, truly a blessing. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also go head over to Jen's channel and support, and I'll catch y'all in my next one. Bye.
I gotta say I'm in the mood for a little bit more.